As some of you may know, my Xbox is broken. It had the red flashy light of doom. I fixed it, then the tray got stuck, and then I fixed that, and it all happened again, and then it broke.
Oh.
So, I'm going to teach you how to fix it. The first item to help me and you fix it is a hammer.
A huge hammer. Wow. Okay.
So, step one to fixing this is to find its weak spot. I got it right there. Okay.
Basically, the side. And then just hit it. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again.
See the other side.
And again. And now it's stuck. Wow.
Right. Well, that's logic there. There we go. That's all. How's this? Okay, let's try the Vernon approach. No, hold it the other way, man. Hold it with the spikes up. Other way around.
Right.
Like that. That's good.
That was fun.
I think you damaged it.
Slightly.
No! Shut up, Lily! I'm not rude.
Going for the wire thing now.
Okay, let's retry that approach.
Tray!
I'm quite scared now. I'm really scared now.
How has that not come up? You didn't have to go through.
Mom, you're ruining the video! My turn.
Here we have James on the top of.
Yeah, Mom?
Oh wow.
Soon, okay? Bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, he's got an Xbox. What's gonna happen?
Oh.
Did you do it the right way?
Oh. Here we have Josh with my Xbox leaning out of a window. And
nice.
Yay. Hi, Lily. Well, watch out, Mum. It's a very dangerous thing to be doing.
Are you ready?
You ready? 3. Screw 3, 2, 1.